Welcome to Welding Hawaii. Right now I'm working on a two-door cage for a Nissan Titan, and the customer is Mike, and he's from Oahu. So this will be my first off-island cage. Right now it's June 15th. It's a Tuesday, and I started on Saturday. I made the shell, the top shell, and the frame for the divider. So today I added in all the bars for the divider, fully welded, and so this Saturday I'm gonna finish it up. I'm gonna hang the doors, pre-make the doors, hang them, put a bar top so it can be ready to be shipped out next week. So there is the full cage. It's the back half. There is the divider in the middle. So yeah, this is a two-door for Nissan Titan. First off-island cage. So tune into the next video. You'll see the finished cage. This is Welding Hawaii. Hello.